Vampire Wheel Cleaning Gel. So this is Feed the Beast safest wheel cleaner. It's a gel-based product, as it says on the tin. It's a mild alkaline cleaner, so it's safe basically on all types of wheels. Diamond cut wheels such as these, you definitely want to be using a gel-based cleaner like this. What you want to do is wet the wheel first, just spray off the sort of loose dirt on there, give it a rinse around the tyre, and then you need to give it a liberal coating of this. So I'll just demonstrate that now. So just to wet the surface of the wheel, when you do receive Vampire, you will get it with this type of trigger spray. It's the twisty end type. This helps, it's a foaming product, so it will help the gel disperse and it'll help it to form up as it comes out. It does form up better once you start agitating the product, but basically you use a standard sort of trigger spray and they clog up. So this is the type of trigger spray you will receive with your Vampire. So I usually go around the tyre. It's a nice soapy cleaner this, so it makes a great tyre cleaner as well. Get it into in between the spokes. You can spray it on your calipers as well. Get it on your wheel face, in the barrels. So that's that covered. We can leave that to dwell for 2 to 3 minutes if need be. This is only a lightly soiled wheel, so we don't need to leave it too long to work. So I'm just going to get my wheel bucket. So we have a few different brushes in here. We've got barrel brush, hog's hair brush for the wheel face, and a tyre brush. So normally I will start off by scrubbing the tyre. The more you work it, the more it's going to form up. So from tyre, I would then usually start going around the rim. You just see we've got some light sort of dirt around the edges here. The more you work this stuff with these, especially this type of brush, the more it's going to form up. So start around the rim. And then start working the wheel faces. You can see it clings really well. What you do not want to do is let the product dry onto the wheel. You want to make sure it's nice and wet. We can leave it for up to 2 to 3 minutes. If it is a hot day, it's going to dry on a bit quicker than that. So just be aware of the temperature. So get in here. And then finally, a barrel brush. Just get behind your spokes. Give your caliper a bit of a clean while you're there. Again, it's not a particularly dirty wheel this, so we don't need to do too much, but the more product you spray on, the more foamy it's going to get. If you've got sort of mildly dirty wheels like this, you can probably water it down slightly so it goes a little bit further, and then we just give it a good rinse off. And that is that. Vampire Wheel Cleaning Gel, safe on all wheels, particularly diamond cut, safe on your ceramic coated wheels. It's a nice, friendly wheel cleaning gel, this one. It'll be the first step to cleaning any wheel before using any more harsh products. I would always start with this one. It's a great agitator for dirt, the loose dirt, that kind of stuff. So I would always start with this before even thinking about using wheel acid or anything like that. So yeah, vampire wheel cleaning gel.